So let me show you guys how to install MySQL on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open your browser. From here, type MySQL and press enter. Click the official link www.mysql.com. So from here, currently MySQL 9.7 is the current version. So click downloads. From here, scroll down and click the MySQL community downloads. Click the MySQL community server. You can see that the latest version is 9.7.1 LTS, and the Microsoft Windows as the selected operating system. So we'll be downloading the x86 64-bit for MSI installer. So click download. So for now, just click no thanks, just start my download. So wait for the exe file to be downloaded. So our download is complete. So let's continue with our setup. Right click and click open to continue the installation process. So it's preparing to install. So from here, just click next. So we have the end user license agreement. Click I accept and click next. From here, you have to choose a setup type. I'll click custom. So from here, you have MySQL server will get installed also. So click, and also the MySQL will get installed in this location. So I'll leave it in default. Click next. So from here, it's ready to install. Click install. So give it a moment. So we've completed the MySQL server setup. So once we click finish, we launch the MySQL configurator. So click finish. Click yes. So from here with the MySQL configurator, so click next. So data directory will get installed in this location. So click next. So from here we have type and networking. Leave all in default, including the port number 3306, and click next. From here you have to put a MySQL root password. So repeat the password. So this is the password that you'll need when you want to access the workbench, and click next. So we have the Windows service. Leave it in default and click next. Server file permission. Grant full access. Click next. So here we have a sample databases. So the sample databases are not required. It's up to you. So for now, I leave it and click next. So we have to apply configuration. So click execute. So it's done. Click next. So from here, just click finish. So let's set the path. Remember that we installed MySQL on the C drive. So let's head to the file explorer. So local disk C under the program files. So look for MySQL, open the folder. So you can see the current version is 9.7. Open the folder, open bin, copy this path and copy this path, minimize. Come to the search bar again and type environment. So edit the system environment variables and click open. So from here, under system properties, click environment variables. So from here, just double click on path, click new, and paste the path that you have currently copied. Click OK, OK, and OK. So let's verify the installation. Come to the search bar again and type cmd, press enter. So from here, just type MySQL space version version and press enter. You can see that you have currently downloaded the latest version, which is version 9.7.1. So that's basically how to download and install the latest version of MySQL on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.